Kaya ng intro yan. Lag. So guys, di na kasi ako nag-edit nan, pero dito sa video na to is I will teach you a no bull S na workout routine that you can start today. So with this one, I will give you a effective workout plan that can yield results without any fluff. Okay? So I'm Joms and I help men be confident, masculine, attractive, basta anything about men's personal development. So if you want my contents, please subscribe to my video kasi marami pa akong i-release na men's personal development ideas. So, punta tayo doon sa video. So, dito sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung mga workout routines na ginagamit ko. So, paano mo malalaman kung ang routine mo ngayon is hindi na effective? So, number one is, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng significant result. So, you always do the same thing over and over again, kahit na matagal ka nang nag-workout, is wala pa rin masyadong result. Number two is, you feel frustrated na, yung nababagalan ka na sa progress mo. So, if you feel that one, maybe you want to try to change your progress, yung tipong kahit 6 months na, ako kasi nangyari sa akin, 6 months, nang walang progress yung katawan kahit na araw-araw ako 6 times a week. So with that one, sobrang dami naging negative effects sa akin. So number one is I wasted my time. So do sa 6 months na yon, sobrang haba na nun. So according to my research, kahit 100 days lang, kaya mo nang i-transform yung katawan mo. So isipin mo, almost twice yung na-waste mong time. Number two is bababa yung confidence mo na maging fit ka pa. So with that one, baka huminto ka pa. Yung maging intro boy, kala mo yun. Yung sa simula lang magaling, tapos kapag hindi nakuha yung gustong progress is magki-quit na lang. So ayaw naman natin maging ganun. And number three is you will struggle with motivation. So you will never feel motivated, and that's why naging intro boy ka nga lang. So bakit ba importante ito? So knowing what works for your routines is actually crucial to achieving your fitness goals. So, make sure that yung program mo ngayon is alam mo kung bakit mo ginagawa. So, ano ba yung mga benefits na to? Is number one, you will feel more progress sa katawan mo. Number two, you will feel energized and motivated. And number three, you will build a consistent fitness habit. So, how can you start a workout routine with no bullshit? So, I have this free ebook na pwede mo makuha dito sa description. So, ipipaste ko na lang dyan yung link, Google Drive link. So, meron na dyan home workouts and also gym workout. Also, tinuruan na kita dyan on how to make sure that you will progress every single workout. So, dito pa lang makikita mo na yung progress mo, making you motivated. Hindi ka na nanguhula. And also, may kasama na rin yung nutrition plan or diet strategy pala for you to para sundan mo. So if you like, check it out dito lang sa description, and if you find this video valuable, subscribing to me is ma-appreciate ko. So yun lang, see you in the next video. Maraming video chats, panoorin yun lang. Ayan o, may lilitaw dyan. Hindi ko alam, baka dito o dito. Click mo na lang.